Good morning. Today we're going to look at using some of the advanced features in your print preview. So one of the really nice things is the ability to share settings. So if I go to my print preview and I click on share settings, you'll see that there are options there. If I would like to create settings, I need to log in as a manager. So I'm going to log in as one quickly. And as soon as I've logged in as a manager, you'll notice that I now have an option to say save to cloud and load from cloud. So this is my options to save. I can save to cloud, so I can save my firm preview options. And I can also save to cloud my firm letterhead options. Okay. So once I've saved those, they then become available for everyone in my organization to use. As a clerk with a clerk level access, I'll have the option to load. So I can either load my firm preview settings, and I can decide whether I want to load client specific ones or global options or all preview settings. So I've got an option for those three. In this case, I'm going to load all preview settings. And I'm also going to load from cloud. I'm going to load my letterheads. I'm going to load images and options. And that is a nice simple way to make sure that you have a consistent look and feel throughout your firm by loading preview settings and letterheads and making them available for people to load on their financials. Thank you. I hope that helps. Have a great day.
Manuel, there is too much butter on those trays.